Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. Friends, divergence is one of the most powerful tools for determining high probability reversal trades. But this is possible only if you know how to use it correctly. An RSI is one such indicator which helps in identifying and spotting divergence clearly and precisely. So friends, divergence is basically the disagreement between the price and the indicator. Or we can also say that divergence occurs when the price and RSI are doing two different things. That is, price is making a higher high but the RSI is making a lower high, or vice versa. So as you can see here, this is daily Euro USD chart, and as you can see, the price is making a lower low here. But on the other hand, when you look at RSI, it is making a higher low. Now this disagreement between price and RSI is nothing but divergence. Also notice this Nifty chart where you can see the price is making a higher high, but RSI on the other hand is making a lower high. Friends, here also there is disagreement between RSI and price action. So here also there is divergence. So friends, with this I hope divergence identification is clear to you. Just practice locating divergences on a naked chart before you move ahead with the lecture. Next friend, divergence is classified as bullish divergence and bearish divergence. Let's first see what is bearish divergence. Now friends, a bearish divergence occurs when the security records a higher high, but on the other hand, RSI forms a lower high. Just notice this chart of Nifty 50. Now this is the region where price is making a higher high. But when you look down and see the RSI, it is making a lower high. So this type of divergence is nothing but a bearish divergence. Friends, as per divergence theory, this bearish divergence pattern indicates a high probability of price reversing to the downside. And you can also notice that price indeed made a reversal after formation of this bearish divergence. Next friends, opposite of this divergence is bullish divergence. So in case of a bullish divergence, the momentum shifts upwards in due course of time. That is, in case of bullish divergence, the price will make a lower low while RSI makes a higher low. Friends, just notice this Euro USD chart. Notice this bullish divergence here. As you can see, the price here is making a lower low, but on the contrary, RSI is making a higher low. And you can also notice the trend reversed after formation of this strong bullish divergence. So in short, if you see this kind of formation in your chart, then this is nothing but a divergence. The first one is bullish divergence and next to the right is bearish divergence. Now friends, if you are considering divergences as trade signals, then you must be very careful here. Because though divergence is a very strong reversal indication, but it must be noted that divergences are misleading in a strong trending markets. A strong uptrend can show numerous bearish divergences before a top actually occurs. So later in this course, we will eliminate these false signals using our trading strategies.